If you're looking for white noise audios for studying, sleeping, or meditating, I have a collection of about 50 free MP3 downloads that you're welcome to put on your computer, iPad, iPhone, or whatever. Again, they're 100% free for personal use, and you don't need to sign up for anything. I'm putting the URL below. Now, because there's so many of them, I'm just going to click through some of the more popular samples right now. That will save you some time. And if you hear one you like, you can just go to the website and download it. Keep in mind that some of the audios aren't exactly soothing. They're kind of loud, constant noises meant to drown out more distracting background noises. But if you'd like something more soothing, there's also a selection of free relaxation and meditation music on that same link below as well. But as for the white noise, the main thing you'll probably want to look for is a frequency that you think will mask your particular environmental noises, noisy neighbors, or whatever the case might be. Okay, so let's click through some of the tracks to see what's available. Again, there's no charge or sign up required for anything on this page. You can just go there and download the MP3s.